This is Zone Out Session, Season 4, brought to you by Freebie TV.
Yeah, you call me my nigga. Shout out to Free Me TV, and this is my Zone Out Session. And tell your hobby to pay attention. Go, gang. Listen, go. See. Go. Now the word of the occupation that be giving me the body and the fame that I be getting every now and then. So maybe you can know the kind of person that I be. So when I tell you that I'm Mr. One Touch, you go won't be my friend. Chaliga don't be your BD, Chaliga don't be Sakode, but I go be the digger with your gun. I beg go want the friend. I ready, make a mother get dig. Do anytime and any day with just one touch. Jehovah play my feet the top on that level. Stay the virgin, I will fuck it with the devil. Started from the girl, the Hollywood or 7, but before I realized my deep I was 77. Wrote my first song in 2011. Had to be called by the peace I could have said every day. Had to pray fatherly, if it had to settle. Now we changing the game. My days niggas are so pebbles. Yeah, don't they put me that deep, don't they do like say that only they be they weather be the hustle. Yeah, they be the CB as that spells where they hang around the street with no vision or dream to pursue. Don't they wonder how I make and don't they turn it to by haters, don't be power, but don't be by struggle. As you don't do one for me, make it pray, make it do one for you, but life don't be struggle. Listen, I don't want for everything, why you think that you better than before your man do better bigger than that. I'm not concerned of how you feel, why you concerned of what I do, cause of my bad, I gotta think of a lot. Yeah, as you can see, I'm thinking over our babies going global, and my farm getting bigger a lot. You ever wonder how I be the boy you thought was so impossible? Did you hope I did with a lot? Took it for the lower level all the way to upper level. Now my home is feeling proud of my work. Nevertheless, I'm going commercial cause I'm making progress. Obstacles are stepping stone to my joy every day and every night. So people try to show me love. Now that they see my blessing for sure is blessed and I know be luck. What the hell is he saying? Get out of here. See, you see my step against a record, my flow is unbelievable. Started from the bottom, now we're up in the middle. The game needs a formula, my style is applicable. Never been defeated cause my flow is unbeatable. See, I'm so reliable, these niggas ain't compatible. They want to see me for my brother is not advisable. My issues had to swallow, my issue is not palatable. Yes, I'm the best, disagreeable. Yes, yo, they call me E to the M to the A, M-O nigga, but they call it the number one. Thank you for watching my Zone Out Session. Don't forget to let me know if it was dope or not. And don't forget to watch other videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Pride is out of this world, your sense is middle school. I'm an intellectual bully. IQ smoking Colorado mixed with loud, you can't do it. Mind of a genius, hideous with the rhymes, meticulous.